If you're looking to put featured photos on your Facebook profile, in this video I will show you how. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to showcase your best photos in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to put featured photos on Facebook. First of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next, at the top, tap on your name to go to your Facebook profile. When you're on your Facebook profile, tap the Edit Profile button. If you don't have this button over here, simply tap on the three little dots and the Edit Profile option should be there. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page. As you can see, there is a featured section. Go ahead and tap on Try It. And now you can add images from your camera roll to be featured on your Facebook profile. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select these images and then tap Next. So now you can give a title to your featured photos. You can tap on over here and change the cover of this collection. Once you are happy with everything, tap on Save and it will take a couple of seconds to upload. So that's done. Let's go over to my profile and boom! These are the photos that I just added to be featured on my profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.